Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about highlighting walls. So as you can see on this game room wall, they used canvases to create kind of like a domino wallpaper. I really like this idea because it's very inexpensive. Instead of wallpapering the whole wall, it does give a luxury kind of feel, and it's literally just canvases, so it's not super expensive. So say for example you really like butterflies and you wanted to do butterflies, you can paint butterflies, you can get wrapping paper, from Target or wherever, wrap the canvases with the butterfly wallpaper and then hang them all up in a uniform way where it looks like cohesive, where you're making an actual highlight or wall treatment. So there's other ways to do that besides actually adhering wallpaper to the wall, which can be costly and expensive because you have to flatten the wall texture, so that way once you put the paper up, the texture behind the paper doesn't come through. So this is an easy way. It's using canvases. Like I said, materials needed would be canvases, and then whatever you choose to put on top. You can use fabric that you really like, you can use wallpaper, you can paint them. This is just painted on. They probably did like a stencil with like a cup to make it perfectly circular and then painted it in. It looks great and it creates a decorative wall that is super inexpensive. So that's a way that you can fancify your space and it looks fabulous. And I hope everyone is living just fancier.